Hey everybody, today we are going to be working with Google Drawings to create a meme. This is one of my favorite projects because it's really simple, it doesn't take much time, and it's loads of fun. The first thing you need to do is sign into your Google account. Then go to My Drive, come down to New and click it. Come down to More in the drop-down menu, and then come over to Google Drawings. The first thing I like to do when I start a new project is name it. So I'm going to click in the box and I'm just going to call mine My Meme. You can call yours whatever you'd like. And since we're doing a meme, I'm going to start with a background picture or image. So I'm going to click Insert in the menu, come down to Image, and then from the drop-down menu, I'm going to click Search the Web. For the meme that I'm creating, I need a picture of a man jumping in the air. So in the search bar, I'm going to type man jumping and hit enter. I'm going to scroll down until I find one that I like. I'm going to just go with this one here. So click the picture you want and then click insert in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. Now notice it doesn't fit the whole work area, so I need to expand the picture a little bit. I'm just going to click the blue squares and drag them to the edges of the work area. Notice it does distort the picture slightly, but it's okay for what we're using it for. It won't matter. There. Now I want to add my caption. So what I'm going to do is come over to Insert again. I could use a text box. I prefer to use word art. I like the look of it better. So I'm going to click word art and I'm going to type in my caption. Me when all of my students do their homework, and then hit enter. So notice it puts it in the middle of the screen. I'm going to click it and I'm going to just drag mine to the bottom. I want mine on the bottom of my meme. Notice the red line, that tells me it's centered. This looks pretty good, but it's a little bit skinny, so I'm going to click this square right here and drag it up a little bit. There. Now, the next thing I want to do is color it. So I'm going to click the Fill Color selection in the menu, and I'm going to go with something bright that we can see. How about a red? There, that looks good. Now, the last thing that I'm going to do is share it. So I'm going to come up to the share option and click it. You can just type in the person's email address you want to send it to, and then click send when it becomes an option. Now I'm not going to do this right now, so I'm just going to cancel out of it by clicking done. But that's it. That's how you make a meme. And I hope you enjoyed this fun and simple way to create using Google Drawings.